Coaching to you was, it is normal for things to not necessarily feel how you expect them to feel based on how they look, or look how you expect them to look based on how it feels. Like, that is normal. But then I would say, if you're working with a move that's awkward and looks awkward, and you're doing this awkward thing like grabbing poi under your groin, lean into it. So it's almost as if the more you own it, the more likely it is to look like it's supposed to be that way. Like, if you're awkward about the fact that your hands are under your crotch and you feel weird and you're turning while you're trying to get this thing underneath your legs, then it's gonna probably look like you feel awkward about it. But if you just own it, like you were just saying, yeah, you are doing this weird thing. If you own that, I think it'll help you actually have the move present in a way that looks more cohesive and looks better, regardless of how it feels, because you're owning the experience. And the more you, my experience with watching performers is, the more they own what's the more the crowd is with them. So like, even if you're messing up, if you laugh about it and you own it, the crowd will be with you. Like, they will. I've seen it happen, and that's how it is. So if you lean in to what's actually happening, lean into the awkwardness, it may actually get less awkward. So instead of focusing on the awkwardness, focus on the smoothness of the feel. It might actually feel better and look better. But the coaching there is own it. Just own it. Own it.